Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how you can add a user-defined report to your evaluation form. In that way, when an evaluator updates their evaluation form, they'll be able to see it on the evaluation form itself. And efficiently, when you're an admin looking at the evaluation results report, the user-defined report is also going to show up in the evaluation form. So basically making the user-defined report as a part of the evaluation form itself. So, how to do that? First of all, I'll show you some of the basic requirements. First, you definitely need a user-defined report. So I created one here for a client matter report, a matter assignment report that I called client matter, that I'll be linking to the evaluation form. The second requirement then is that you have to link the report to the process itself, which I've already done here. If you don't know how to do so, I invite you to look at one of our videos in how to link a report. Again, in this case, the report itself, client matter, has already been linked. The report has already been linked to my process. Once that's done, how you would add the user-defined report to the form is by going to the edit form itself, and you'll then have to select. You will have then to select which section you'd like to link the report to. In my case, I'm going to link it to the section 1 here. So once I click update, you'll actually see the linked report drop down here, which will list out the list of user-defined reports that you've linked to the report itself, to the process itself. So I'll select client matter, I'll click update, and let's take a look at how this impacts it. So again, we see here, let's look at the eval results. In the eval results, once I look at the summary report for Anna Costa, where Brian is her evaluator, you see this now. So this client matter is the user-defined report. It's a user-defined report that I've added in. And if you look at the update form, for example, let's say I'm Brian, so I'm going to log in as Brian here and go to update form. Just give it a second here. There we go. So I'm going to update Anna Costa's evaluation. Once I log in, ignore this because this is the matter report itself that we can turn on or turn off in a different method. But this, as you see, this is the user-defined report that I created, that I called client matter, showing up on top of section 1, right before the very, very first question, just right below the section label, above the list of all of the questions. So this is how you can add a user-defined report to a form itself, so onto a form itself. So again, essentially, the user-defined report becomes a part of the evaluation form itself. Hope that's useful for you.